Hi, bumblebees and bumblebee families. So before school was closed, a lot of students expressed interest in learning about time. So I think this is a good thing to practice with your students, especially when you're still trying to get into the routine. You know, you can say things like, we have lunchtime at 12 o'clock. Look, it's 12 o'clock. And they can kind of start getting used to how the clock looks and what time things happen at, which is what we were starting to get into before school was closing. And since they expressed so much interest in time and the clock, I think we could go over a few hours today with the kids and get them kind of starting to get familiar with the concept of time. Okay, so hello bumblebees. This is a clock. Now, I bet on our clock there's some numbers that we know. Can we count? Let's count all the numbers on our clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 numbers on our clock because if our hands are pointing to our 1, that means it's 1 o'clock. If our hands are pointing to our 2, that means it's 2 o'clock. And our clock goes around in a circle like this all day. So these big numbers are our hours. So when I say it's 1 o'clock, that's our big number, 1. See how easy it is to tell time? These are our hands. Our clock has 2 hands, just like we do. So when our hands are together and pointing at our number, that's the time that it is. So I want you to take your hands, just like this, put them together like you're pretending to be our clock. I'm gonna move our clock hands, and I want you to try to move your hands too, just like the clock, so we can figure out what time it is. And I want you to help me, okay? So if I have my hands on this number right here, what time is it? Show me with your hands. It's 3 o'clock. If our hands are touching our 3, that means it's 3 o'clock. Now, let's see. If our hands are up here over this big number, what number is that? 12. It's 12 o'clock. Can you think of something we do at 12 o'clock? I know I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Now, let's move our hands. Our clock goes this way. All right, what number is this that our hands are pointing to? It's a 7. That's 7 o'clock. I know when it's 7 o'clock. That's when I wake up in the morning and I get ready for school. Think of other things you do at other times of the day. I hope you guys liked time, and I hope you're learning a lot when you're at home. I miss you guys. Bye, bumblebees.